Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to add multiple accounts in WhatsApp. To add multiple accounts in WhatsApp, you need to press on the app from the home screen. Then go into its app info from here. Now in its app info, scroll down and you will see your app information such as app name, version, APK name, and last update source. After that, open the WhatsApp app. Tap on the three dots from the top right corner. From here, go into settings. Now from here, you will find the small tick option beside your profile. If you click on that, you will find the option to add an account. Tap on the add an account option and then tap the agree and continue button. Then you need to enter your other number and click next. After that, you will receive the verification code. Enter the verification code that you received on your phone number and continue the process. Then you have to enter your display name for this WhatsApp account. And there you go, you've successfully created your second account. Now click on the three dots from the top right corner and go into settings from here. From your settings, click on the drop down icon beside your profile. Then you can switch between your accounts from here. If you guys enjoyed this video, like it and share your comments or questions down below.